So hello there. So let's get started with the previous few words of the day. Yes, so we have initiated this journey once again. I know it's a bit long gap in between, so we have to cover it up. So that's why I'm recording once again the word of the day, the previous few word of the day. Yes, so that we have covered already. Now we have to see the previous few, archives. So yes, abstruse,
Abstruse.
abstruse. So what does it mean? Abstruse is a formal word used to describe something that is hard to understand. So yes, see, anything which is hard to understand, we can say it's abstruse, and always we have to keep in mind it's in adjective form of word of sorry part of speech. So if you want to learn how we can use it in a sentence, then definitely it would be a great example. See, I have avoided taking this class in past semesters because the subject matter is so abstruse. That means hard to understand. But the professor does a good job explaining the concepts as clearly as possible. So from here we can understand the meaning is quite logical in this context. So if we want to explore some other example sentences, then definitely we can take the help of ChatGPT. And yes, acha. Meaning of the word abstruse truth with example sentences. Abstruse, yes. Uh, yes, abstruse, yes. So see, if we want to explore this particular word, then definitely we'll be getting this sort of a yes, as far as the output of ChatGPT's system is concerned. You can see abstruse is hard to understand that we have already known. It's a recondite and esoteric. Yes, the professor's explanation of quantum mechanics was so abstruse that only a few students could follow it. Her dissertation on medieval philosophy was filled with abstruse argument that confused even the examiners. Though the book was well reviewed, I found the language too abstruse to enjoy. The mathematician's abstruse formulas left the rest of the team searching their heads. Sorry, scratching their heads. He has a tendency to use abstruse legal jargon that makes his arguments inaccessible to the public. So, jargon is also a technical, uh, jargon means a technical word that very hard to understand for the general people, yes, for the general people. So definitely from here we can easily understand what abstruse means and how we can understand how we can use it in our day-to-day life. Yes, and okay, we're done with abstruse, and now if we see a few other previous word of the day, then we can see that especially on 6th June, we'll be seeing there is a word called Festoon. A Festoon. What does it mean? And how it is relevant in any context. Sorry for the noise. So, yes, Festoon. Festoon is nothing but to cover or decorate something, yeah, yes, with many or small objects, pieces of paper, to appear here and there on the surface. It can also mean to hang decorative chains or stripes on. Yes. So it is something which can be used as a decorative tool, and it can be of some small objects, pieces of paper, that appear here and there on the surface of. So yes, we can use it as a cover. We can use it something which we can cover. Sorry for the noise. Yes, and so for example, tiny wildflowers festoon the meadow. Meadow, yes. We festoon the hall with ribbons and garland. See, it's quite understandable that it can be used as a, as an example of, yeah, as an a synonym for canopy as well, right? And yes, mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So yes, this is the meaning of festoon, and it's a verb, of course. Festoon. It's a verb to festoon. Yes, and it can be used as a noun as well. Let me see if it is if I'm wrong. Festoon, festoon, verb or verb or noun. Yes, see, it can be used as a verb or noun. Festoon is a decorative chain or garland of flowers. Yeah, definitely, it's a noun as a noun. And to decorate or to adorn with ribbons or garlands or something like that. So yes, the hall was adorned with colorful festoons. It's as a noun, and the festoon the balcony with lights and paper lanterns. Yes, the parrot float was festooned with flowers and banners. So these are the few examples that you can definitely use as far as the meaning of the word festoon is concerned. Then say the previous one word we can take in this video. Okay, that's sea change. Sea change. Sea change. What does it mean? Just for a sec.
Sea change.
Sea change. Sea change refers to a big or sudden change or transformation. Sea is definitely it's a kind of a literary perspective is there. Sea that means a huge. It has no end. Yes. In order to denote it in a proper way. Once you go to a seashore, you can't find any horizon over there. It's very hard to find the other end. So from that perspective, we can definitely attach the word big or a kind of a thing which is enormous, which is enormous in nature. So yes, sea change refers to a big or sudden change or transformation. As far as the um, sentence word is concerned, okay, yeah, what sentence is concerned, we can definitely use it in this context in such a way that the early 2000s witnessed a sea change in public opinion about smoking in public spaces. So this is a good example, I believe so. And okay, it's a noun. Definitely, it's a noun, and we can use it in the different context in order to denote the meaning of big or sudden change or transformation or modification, you can say so. Yes. Okay, so yes, we have covered three um, word the previous 3 days, that is of second sorry 7th June, and then 6th June, and this is of 5th June. So 5th June we have seen that it's a sea change, that is of enormous or big change or transformation. Then we have seen abstruse. Abstruse, that means once again, hard to understand or very, you know, very not easy actually to understand. It's kind of some people cannot use jargons in their sentences, and definitely it will be hard for people to understand. So in that case, you can say it's very abstruse. It's very abstruse. It's subject matter is so abstruse. Yeah, something like that you can use. Yes. And then Festoon. We have seen what does it mean? It's a kind of a a verb and noun in both the way you can use it, especially if you are using it in a noun as a noun, then definitely it will be used. The word will be denoting decorative chain or garland or flowers or leaves, ribbons, which hang in a cuff. Yes, and if you are using it as a verb, then definitely it's a decorate or adorn with ribbons and garlands and with other decorations. So these are the few example sentences that you can use it as far as these three words are concerned. Especially this three. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood the meaning of these words: abstruse, festoon, and sea change.